I met him 15 years ago. I was told there was nothing left, no reason or no conscience, no understanding of even the most rudimentary sense of life or death, of good or evil, of right or wrong. I met this 6-year-old child with this blind, pale, emotionless face. They were the blackest eyes, those devil's eyes, purely and simply evil. They were the blackest eyes, those devil's eyes, purely and simply evil. Spent 8 years trying to reach him, then another 7 to keep him locked up. 'Cause I realized what was living behind that boy's eyes. They were the blackest eyes, those devil's eyes, purely and simply evil. They were the blackest eyes, those devil's eyes, purely